What's up guys, it's Jake. Today we're going to walk you through our 4-inch mid pegs. We actually sell two different options, one for a cone shovel and one for a generator engine, so it could be knucklehead, panhead, or generator shovel. Got the cone shovel version here. This is for a generator engine, generator model version. These are made of mild steel. When you get these, it'll have grade 8 hardware with it. This is not stainless because we wanted to go a little bit more aggressive, tougher of a bolt, so that's why we chose grade 8. The bottom comes 3/8/16 tap. It fits perfectly with these stock floorboard tabs. They're the right length, thread directly in here. It comes with a stainless steel lock washer. There's also a cross drill hole, and that is for mounting a foot peg of your choice, which we'll walk through when we actually do the install. All generator shovel frames came with these mounts installed. If you buy the cone shovel kit from us, you also may need to purchase these tabs separately, which we have available on our website. So as far as the install goes, the only tool you're gonna need is this 9/16 wrench. For the foot peg part of it, you need a 7/16 wrench. These are two different options that we sell through our website. This is a powder coated black version, and then this is just a raw cast aluminum version. So I'm gonna open up the hardware, and you drop it like that. Any part that we install, specifically on a Harley, we always red Loctite. All it takes is a dab. You don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. Okay, and then there's two different options here. One's shorter and one's longer for a generator specific engine. So the shorter one goes on the right side of the bike, like that. And then the longer one, which has more of this this bend to it, that's to clear your primary, which I'll show you when we go install this on the other side. So I just put the bolt through like that, get this started. Take it 9/16, tighten, crush that lock washer, eye it up to make sure you're somewhat level, exactly how you want it to be. Make sure you give it a tap.
Very important.
Yeah, tap's the important part. While I'm over here, go ahead and install Anderson style peg. So I'm just gonna remove this block. We don't need this. In this current application, we don't need this at all. So you can throw that away or save it for something else. And then this peg just sits on here. The hole should line up directly with it. You can put this bolt through it, like that. Again, put a dab of Loctite. Just a little small guy. Lock washer, and then the nut. Okay. Tighten it down, and there you have it. So that pivots like that when it's done too. Push it down. And if you don't want to run this Anderson style peg, you can run any peg that you want. The diameter of this is 5/8 of an inch. So anything that's 5/8 width in here will work perfectly. Other side, again, it's got more of a bend here. That's to clear the primary. We designed these to clear the 10 style primary. On the Shovelhead version, that's made to run with open belt. Through. Okay. Okay, tight. And if you need to like straighten this, you can stick a screwdriver through here and kind of rotate it so everything's straight and perpendicular. See, I'm a little crooked here. I'm gonna straighten that out. Just like that. Hold the bolt with this wrench, and the nut with the other one. Boom. Done. And you can see how we designed this to flow as close as we could with the primary.
Nicey, nicey.